Hello and welcome to the InkTra Transfers application guide. Today we're going to show you how to achieve flawless results with brand new InkTra Heat Transfers that will have a super soft and smooth finish, outlast the lifetime of your garment and leave your customers amazed by the quality of product that you're providing them. InkTra Heat Transfers are a one-colour screen printed heat transfer. With a clear carrier and a hot peel, InkTra is making screen print more efficient and more accurate than it has ever been before. With its clear carrier, InkTra is compatible with the Hotronix ProPlace IQ, making every heat transfer that you place 100% accurate every single time. InkTra applies at the same time and temperature as the screen print transfers that you all know and love, but this one has a hot peel, something you've all been asking us for. So without further ado, let's show you how to heat apply brand new InkTra screen printed heat transfers. Step 1, load your garment onto the heat press and ensure that you have a completely flat print surface for even pressure. Step 2, don't forget the pre-press. That is a vital step in any heat transfer application. Anywhere between 3 and 5 seconds on your garment is perfectly fine, just to remove those moisture and creases. Hotronix heat presses, of course, have dual timers, so you don't have to worry about going back and forth changing the timers. It automatically changes between your pre-press and your main press timer for you. Apply your InkTra heat transfer for just 10 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius, and once the application is complete, you can peel that carrier off straight away to reveal your screen printed finish. And that's it, you're finished. You've created a high quality screen print product with InkTra transfers in just 10 seconds. InkTra heat transfers are industrially wash tested to last 75 plus washes, so you can be guaranteed that you're giving your customer the highest quality product available. InkTra truly is a premium product, giving you a crisp, clean and super soft feel on all of your designs. Plus, with how easy they are to use, the efficient hot peel, accuracy of that clear carrier and the scalable pricing for quantity jobs, they really are the perfect product for your business. InkTra heat transfers are exclusively available from Styles UK. You can go online to custom.styles.co.uk today to order them online, and they'll be with you within a couple of working days. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much to everyone for watching, and if you want to learn more about anything and everything heat printing, don't forget to like and subscribe for another video just like this very soon.